to introduce you to Leo. Leo's going to tell you a little bit about just what's happening here in this forest. Thank you, Leo.
The protection area of Itacare is about 6,000 hectares that was created in 1993. The meaning of this creation is the extremely importance for conservation of flora and fauna. And because of the high levels of endemic plants and animals. All the logging and timber that been happening on the last 200 years here in Bahia changed that area of a continuous forest to a fragmented land. I mean, only forest patches. So that's very terrible for bird species because you leave that species, locked in some forest fragments. Today, we have only 7% left of Atlantic rainforest. What's the meaning of this study? Actually, I start to creating a list, so it's the basic information so we can discuss what we can do in which area should be the best one for protect. We try to cover as much as possible all kinds of environmental, like mangroves, Atlantic rainforest, lowland forest, some foothills, riverside, and try to get the most of kind of environmentals. So we have the biggest bird diversity. On those last 3 years, we recorded 340 species of birds. That's probably about 50% of the whole bird that happens in the Atlantic rainforest. So if you get the Atlantic rainforest, it comes from northeast of Brazil and goes to south, extreme south of Brazil. And the Atlantic rainforest is divided in three. Here we have the central corridor of Atlantic rainforest. It's a typical endemic center. And in that area, we can find more than 40 species which are restricted to this area. So that makes us to believe we have a evolution center that happened here in the past. From 340 species that we recorded, 18 species is threatened by extinction by some international lists, like our wildlife department and also the International Union Conservants for Nature. What we need is some fiscalization in the area, and that we need as an emergency some strong actions to stop logging, pet trade, and animal hunting for feeding local communities. So that's the really important meaning of this job as a tool to understand which part of all this protection area is the most important for conservance.